Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Aspara Bacon, asparagus spears wrapped with a bacon strip and pan-fried. It is so simple to make with easy to find ingredients. We are using turkey bacon because it's less fatty and easier to cook, but you can also use ham. For complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, remove hard bottom parts of asparagus. Boil for a couple of minutes, but don't overcook. And cool slightly. Cut the bacon in half, and also cut the asparagus in half. Now we are going to wrap asparagus with bacon. Take 3 pieces of asparagus and place on a bacon. Roll up like this and pin with a toothpick in the end. Repeat and use up all of the asparagus and bacon. Heat oil in a frying pan at medium heat and cook the rolls until browned, turning a couple of times. And remove from the heat, add the soy sauce and coat. That's it. Remove toothpicks before serving. We only need a few ingredients for this recipe. This is a great appetizer and it's also perfect for bento. Try this today.
美味しいね。